So today, or in this video, I'm going to do the cap part of the beanie. I've created a few already. This one I finished the top sewing as well, or the top stitching, so the seams are all nice and flat for this one. And then I created a few others as well, where the seam is not flat, so there's no top stitching. But in the videos I'll do one with the top I'll do the ones with the top stitching, so at least we can see. I wanted to, so the pattern, this is the pattern that I used, or that I use. It's for a circumference of 58 centimeters. I did upload the pattern on the channel. Maybe later on I will load some more on there with other sizes. So I'm just going to sew the caps together now. So what I do is I start with so there's 4 of them, 4 caps. So I'm going to do, today's a beautiful day, a lovely autumn morning. The sun is shining, it's not that cold. So I'm going to, I start with the one sides each, doesn't matter, but so I sew 2 together. So the first 2. So the stretch is this way, but this is fleece, so this fleece doesn't have a lot of stretch in it. And the first thing that I do is I do this is the first part. Now it's a 5-thread overlock that I use, which means that there won't be any stretch in this overlock seam, and it doesn't matter because it's a cap. You don't need stretch on the seam there, but when we do the band, it is when we attach the band to the cap, then it is a different story. So the caps are sewn together now like this, 2. So we're going to place them now right sides together, right sides together, and then we're just going to sew the top part. So you can see it is a bit more pointy here on top. So what I did was, on the pattern there is a mark that makes it less pointy. So it's a little bit less pointy. I'll bring out another pattern later on where the crown top starts about here and then it goes in, so it's a little bit more flatter. But this is the pattern that I drew up now and that I use now, but there is space to make the crown a little bit flatter on top. So I just put them like right sides together. And then I sew them again. And the pattern includes the 1 centimeter seam allowance. So here's our cap. You can do it on the overlocker or the lock stitch machine. So the cap is there. Finished now. So I'm going to do the top stitching for this cap now. And then we'll attach the band and do the top stitching for the band as well. But yeah, so it's a beautiful day today. It's not so busy here. I've got some clients, but print work that I need to do. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. So let me do the top stitching. I'll make a video of that as well.